Hello, I'm Michael Glass from MoveUpWithMike.com, where we focus on helping our visitors, our clients, become financially literate so that they can make informed decisions about their financial future. And that is exactly where we're going to start our presentation today by stating that a goal without a plan is just a wish. Many of us want to provide for our retirement, provide passive or residual income for our families on a month-to-month basis. However, if you haven't taken the time to put objectives in that are measurable and attainable, then you don't have a plan, and so therefore your goal is just a wish. Do you know right now, in our current economic climate, that the average interest rate on all savings account is less than 1%? And no, I'm not kidding. As a matter of fact, there are several banks that are offering no interest on the savings account. So if you are that person who has a goal of providing for retirement, not just depending on the pension plan that your company is going to give, and again, in our economic climate of today, where pensions are being blown up, and you want to provide for your retirement and to provide residual income monthly for your family, where can a person go to put that, to get a good return of an investment on our funds? Well, many people, myself included, believe that the stock market can provide that. It's noted as being one of the great revenue providers of our time. Yet it is also often quoted that over 90% of the people who play in the stock market lose their money. And again, the emphasis there is play, because as we said, a goal without a plan is just a wish. You're playing. And there's a lot of people playing in the market who are very much have great intentions. They know that the stock market is a good revenue provider. However, they haven't taken the time to put those objectives, to educate themselves about the market, to develop a trader's mindset so that they can handle the market. And therefore, they just have a goal with no plan and a wish, and they're playing in the market. So it's one thing to have great intentions. You could have great intentions by trying to follow the latest guru in the stock market, and we all get those emails. What about getting on Google and trying to find the hottest indicator, or perhaps you subscribe to a newsletter where they send you monthly, weekly, daily trades, or perhaps you found some trendy system that guarantees a certain amount of pips every month. These are all great intentions. However, it's not enough to be well-intentioned. It's not enough just to have a goal. But you have to strive to put those intentions into action in a capable way. You have to take your goal and make a plan so your goal moves from being a wish, something that you want, and turns into a plan with objectives that are measurable and attainable. So the question is, do you currently have that expertise that you can navigate the day-to-day swings of the market? Again, we all have great intentions. Those people who are on Google searching for indicators, searching for systems, they've got great intentions. They want to be able to handle their investing themselves. And I certainly encourage that. Again, it's about making informed decisions about your financial future. You have to be financially literate. So you need to be able to educate yourself. But it's not just enough to have the expertise. You also have to have the mindset to be able to enact your system on a day-to-day basis. So if you don't have the expertise, nor do you have the trader's mindset, is it better to have a team? Would you prefer to have a team of individuals who do have that trader's mindset, who do have the expertise working on your behalf? See, some of the advantages that we can provide you, because we do have the expertise, is we can give you that full attentive customer service where we can answer your questions. We can devise a specific investment plan for you and your goals so that we can help you put a plan to achieve those goals. We also can help not just the big clients, and we have plenty of those, but we're also focusing on the small clients because we want to help everybody attain their retirement goals. We have an emphasis on capital preservation, minimal drawdowns. We're not just investing to invest, we're investing smartly, and we understand how to protect ourselves so that we have minimum drawdowns. One of the most important things that we can tell you is that we are housed in regulated brokers. We are not going to be an American Greed episode. It is full transparency. We only have access to investor funds when you set up with us. We do not have access to move your money around. These are your accounts in fully regulated brokers where you're giving us the authority, you're giving us access to investor funds. Full transparency, you can log in 24 hours a day and find out what's going on with your accounts. Now, just to give you some information about us, right now, since the middle of June, we basically have our main fund up over 300%. Some of our clients who have a little bit more risk tolerance, they're a little bit, and one thing I should say when I say risk tolerance is that one of the things that Robert Kiyosaki once said is that a risk is a risk when it's not an calculated risk. When if you take the time to educate yourself, inform yourself about strategies, and you know what you feel comfortable risking, it's no longer a risk, it's now an educated decision. So those clients who have educated themselves on some of our other diverse strategies have seen their accounts up over 100% in just 2 months. But our more conservative clients are happy receiving 10% monthly. Now you notice that there's an asterisk next to all those lines. And that's one simple reason. The important fact is not that we're doing so great for our clients on our previous slide. It's not about the profit. Remember, investing in the market can result in a loss of funds. We cannot guarantee future results. No one can. But what you should learn about, what we want you to learn from that previous slide is that we take the time to divide specific strategies, specific trading plans for each of our clients. If you want to take on some more risk, we can help you do that. If you want to be more conservative, we can help you do that. We take the time to talk with you, educate you, find out what strategy works best for you, find out what your goals are, and we help you develop a plan to turn your goal from a wish into an objective. So right now, you have a choice. You can continue to get on Google and be in what I call the Google cycle of trading, where you continue to look for indicators, you continue to look for gurus, you continue to look for all these different investment strategies, and you continue to struggle. Why do you continue to struggle? Why are you yelling at your computer? Because it's one thing to have a strategy, it's another thing to have the expertise and the trader's mindset to enact that strategy. And many people are trying to trade strategies that both their budget and their mind cannot handle. So you can continue to be in that cycle of inconsistent. You can continue to be in that 90% who are struggling and losing money day to day. Or right now you can recognize the opportunity and have peace of mind with DMBFX. You can allow us to work for you. You can allow us to put your money to work. Have the peace of mind, sit at home, enjoy your family, allow us to invest your money, allow us to talk with you and devise a strategy for your funds that works for you and your risk tolerance. One of the things that Robert Kiyosaki also said is that the reason people struggle financially is because they spend a lot of time working for money and not enough time having the money work for them. And that's what we want to provide. We want to allow you to allow us to work your money for you so that you can spend your time with your family and have peace of mind. So right now, once again, you have a choice. You can input your name, your email, and one of our customer service reps will get with you and help you begin the process of taking your goals into plans with measurable objectives that we can attain. And again, have that peace of mind to spend time with your family and put us to work for you. Thanks, and I'm looking forward to working with you.